Huawei released its second vertically foldable phone, the Pocket S. Huawei Pocket S further showcased its stylish appearance and brought rich color-matching elements, allowing this phone to lead the new fashion trend. How about Model S? Is it worth purchasing? Huawei P50 Pocket has been popular with fashion users since its release in December last year. As Huawei's vertically foldable phone, P50 Pocket has a compact body, which continues the appearance aesthetics of the P series and also gives users a better experience in terms of images. On November 2nd, Huawei released its second vertically foldable phone, the Pocket S. Huawei Pocket S further showcased its stylish appearance and brought rich color elements, making this phone a new trend in fashion. Since the launch of folding screen phones in 2019, Huawei has accumulated a lot of experience in folding screen phones. The Huawei Pocket S launched this time has been upgraded in terms of hinge technology. It adopts the industry's first multi-dimensional linkage lifting water drop hinge and is equipped with new technologies such as Super Sensing Imaging System and Harmony Operating System 3.0, which not only brings stylish appearance but also brings excellent user experience. In terms of appearance, Huawei Pocket S continues the appearance style of the P50 Pocket and adopts a vertical folding appearance. The phone has a smaller size in the folded state, bringing better portability. Huawei Pocket S also comes in 6 colors: Primrose Gold, Mint Green, Sakura Pink, Ice Crystal Blue, Obsidian Black, and Frost Silver. With the glass back cover, it looks more pure and elegant. The appearance of double rings is also applied to Huawei Pocket S. The upper ring is the Super Sensing Imaging System, and the lower ring is the external screen of the phone. In these states, the external screen provides functions such as information reminders, card display, and photography, bring higher usability. In the unfolded state, Huawei Pocket S is a 6.9-inch phone. The screen adopts a foldable flexible screen with a resolution of up to 2790 by 1188, which brings delicate picture quality. At the same time, the screen supports a high refresh rate of 120 Hz, which brings smoother the visual experience. Can also get better support for high frame rate games, making the game smoother. Huawei Pocket S uses capacitive fingerprint recognition. It adopts the integrated appearance of the power button and the fingerprint touch module. The capacitive fingerprint recognition has a faster recognition speed. When you press the power button, the fingerprint recognition and screen brightening actions have been completed, make operation faster and more convenient. Huawei has mature folding screen hinge technology. Huawei Pocket S adopts the industry's first multi-dimensional linkage lifting water drop hinge, forming a water drop screen space at the bend. The water drop hinge can make the bending radius of the folding position of Huawei Pocket S smaller, greatly reduce the depth of the screen crease, and at the same time, it can also better control the thickness of the phone and can also realize the screen opening and closing operation with one hand. In addition, for the reliability of the hinge of Huawei Pocket S uses zirconium-based liquid metal. 2100 MP is super strong steel, 1500 MP, AMIM steel and other innovative materials and processes to increase the phone's anti-drop and bending resistance so that the phone cannot be damaged, easily transformed. Huawei Pocket S also obtained the world's first Swiss SGS folding screen phone durability certification, successfully passed 400,000 folding tests, and has higher reliability and durability. Huawei Pocket S has Huawei's flagship imaging system, with 3 cameras installed in a limited space. With the support of Huawei XD Fusion Pro primary color engine and computational optics technology, it can bring delicate image quality performance, and you can use the secondary screen and rear camera of the phone to take selfies. For female users who like to take selfies, Huawei Pocket S can activate the camera through the external screen of the phone and can use the main camera of the phone to take selfies. In the folded state, the camera interface is entered through the external screen. Double-clicking the external screen can realize the main camera and the wide-angle lens switch. The camera mode and video mode can be switched by sliding up and down, and the operation is simple. Huawei Pocket S uses the main camera to take selfies, which can provide better selfie effects. In the scene of a party, you can use a wide angle to take selfies, which can achieve multi-person selfies and ensure delicate picture quality. The phone can stand when the Huawei Pocket S is half opened and closed. At this time, you can turn on the camera of the phone so that the phone can be stabilized on the desktop, platform, etc., so that you can take group photos without asking for help, or while shooting it can make the phone more stable during night scenes. Huawei has also optimized the camera interface in the half-opened and closed state, making the upper half of the screen a viewfinder and the lower half of the screen to control various control buttons. Huawei Pocket S is equipped with a 40-megapixel RYYB main camera, which increases the amount of light by 40%, making it easy to record the beauty of light and shade. At the same time, it also has a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and supports 2.5 cm macro shooting, which can adapt to various shooting scenarios. Huawei's XD Fusion Pro primary color engine, combined with a 10-channel multispectral sensor, achieves more realistic color capture, and the newly upgraded XD Optics computational optics uses a new optical system, image information restoration technology, to preserve the full details and color accuracy of the picture. It presents delicate textures and truly restores the original appearance of things, as can be seen from the proofs. The main camera of Huawei Pocket S maintains a high level of color and detail performance, with accurate color performance and delicate picture quality. The ultra-wide-angle shot has more tension, and there is no serious distortion at the edges. It can easily bring out a sense of depth and space through a reasonable composition. In terms of night scenes, noise can be effectively controlled, making the night scene pictures very transparent. The external screen of Huawei Pocket S can realize the main camera selfie and also support external screen cards. Applications such as notifications, phone calls, cameras, and weather can be opened without unfolding. By double-clicking, sliding, etc., you can switch and enter related cards on the external screen. It can realize the seamless connection of the inner screen when the application is opened on the outer screen. In the settings of the phone, the cards on the external screen can be added or deleted, and the cards on the external screen can be sorted, and users can choose cards according to their own preferences. When there is an incoming call, a phone card will appear on the external screen of Huawei Pocket S. You can answer or hang up on the card. You can directly open the phone to answer the call. When the call is over, you can directly close the phone, automatically hang up. This operation is a bit like folding the phone in the past, and it also makes the answering and hanging up operations of the phone simpler and more direct. In addition, Huawei Pocket S provides users with a variety of external screen themes, as well as personalized themes such as self-made images, bringing a diversified interactive experience. There are also smart patterns. You can shoot your own outfits, and the system will automatically analyze and generate matching external screen themes. Huawei Pocket S is equipped with a 4000 mAh battery, which is quite enough for daily use. In addition, the phone supports 40-watt super fast charging and provides turbocharging mode. As long as the power is connected, press and hold the center of the screen to activate the turbocharging mode. It takes 20 minutes to quickly complete a 52% battery charge. The actual charging test shows that the charging speed in the first half of the turbocharging mode is accelerated. The charging starts from 2%, and the power increases to 52% after 20 minutes, which is close to the official data of 55 minutes. The turbocharging mode of Huawei Pocket S allows you to attain more power in a short period of time. You can use the morning wash or the fragmented time during lunch to recharge to solve battery anxiety. In response to the problem of heat dissipation, Huawei Pocket S adopts the industry's first ultra-cold flexible graphene heat dissipation system, which applies high thermal conductivity flexible graphene to the shaft and screen, and uses the graphene material to match the unique shape of the folding phone. In addition, a large area of graphene film is also used to increase the heat dissipation area by 62%. The graphene film will move with the rotating shaft, as the whole phone is unfolded and folded, opening up the heat transfer channels of the upper and lower parts of the phone, so that the heat conduction area is increased to 80%. At room temperature of 25 degrees Celsius, after running Honor of Kings for 20 minutes, the back surface temperature of Huawei Pocket S phone is 39.2 degrees Celsius, and the front surface temperature is 38.5 degrees Celsius. Graphene heat dissipation material can have a high heat dissipation efficiency, so that Huawei Pocket S has better temperature control ability. Huawei Pocket S is equipped with Harmony OS 3.0, which brings a simple and personalized desktop style. Swipe up on the app icon to generate a card, which can be large or small, hidden or displayed. Cards of different sizes and shortcuts to apps can be sorted to keep your desktop organized. The Super Transfer Station function of Harmony OS 3.0 allows users to realize a more convenient way of sharing text, pictures and files. The text, pictures and files that need to be sent can be temporarily stored in the transfer station on the phone, and can be shared at any time when they need to be shared. Switch to in-app pays to use. Huawei Pocket S is more focused on the understanding of trends in fashion, and brings users new trendy products through simple and fashionable appearance and colorful color matching. Huawei Pocket S integrates technology and trends and brings Huawei's pursuit of aesthetics to users through the innovation of folding form so that users can experience a fashionable phone that leads the trend. The new Huawei Pocket S 128GB version is priced at $845. The 256GB version is priced at $915. The 512GB version is priced at $1,055 and will be officially launched in December. Welcome you who love fashion and trendy images to come and purchase. What do you think of the new Huawei foldable phone? Write your opinion in the comments below. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.